Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Digital Credit Union. So they have a super easy $150 plus checking account bonus, which is a nationwide offer available for everybody. Nobody's excluded in the United States with no direct deposit required. So this is a huge bonus offer. Love sharing this with people. Amazing offer. Please take advantage of what they have to offer. Before we jump in, I have a quick disclosure. I am a customer, a brand new customer. You'll see how brand new a customer I am of DCU. I am not endorsed by them. I'm not affiliated by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are from the DCU website and my cell phone, and all the information is current as of the time of this recording. So I am a high school math teacher. I've been playing the game or the hobby or the sport of collecting bank bonuses for 5 years now. I've been making $10,000 per year for solving problems. So why do people get paid? People get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems in life, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you make bigger money. What problems do banks have? Well, banks need new customers, and they're willing to pay nicely to get new customers. So this is something that's just not taught in public school. How do I know? Because I'm a public school teacher, and I ask kids and adults, why do people get paid? Well, they don't know. Well, banks are willing to get paid to solve problems, and will you join me in this? So, question for you is: when was the last time your bank paid you $100 just to open up a bank account and make 5 debit card transactions? Literally, that's all you need to do. This bonus has not one, not two, but actually 3 different ways to make money, and I'm going to share with you all 3 with them in this video. So, I love helping people with money. Learn about how banks love to give it away for becoming a new customer. I have a $2 million challenge for the year 2022. What does that mean? I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $2,000 from these videos in 2022. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor, smash this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get to work. So this is a nationwide ongoing offer. I didn't see any type of expiration date, but this is just something you just want to jump on. If not, you'll forget about it. You say, I'll do it later. Just do it. I go step by step on how to open this account, so definitely recommend watching the video while you're applying so you can see what's going on. Because this credit union is a little bit, it's a little bit different than compared to other ones. There's a lot of little nuanced things that can get a little annoying in regards to the application process. So I want to help you out with that. So this is a referral only offer. You see on the top here, boom, you've been invited to join DCU. So you'll see that here. And it says, number 1, join DCU. Complete the online application to open up your DCU membership. Complete A. A means 1 qualifying activity. We'll go over that in a minute. And then it says, get paid. Boom, you get $100 as a thank you. So we'll go over the terms and conditions, boom, the qualifying activities. You got to do one of these things within 90 days of becoming a new member. This membership is opened with a primary savings account. You're going to want the primary savings account because that account pays 6.17% on your first $1,000. So that's huge. Even though interest rates are going up, this thing is like huge. All right, so within 90 days, you need to complete one of the following. Either do a direct deposit of at least $500. Well, not everybody wants to change their direct deposit, so you don't have to with this. Here's open up the checking account and complete at least 5 qualifying transactions, which include debit card or credit card transactions, ACH transfers, point of sale transactions, bill pay, balance transfers to your DCU Visa credit card, or pay a person transactions. 5 qualifying transactions must post and clear your DCU account within the same calendar month. So you got to do 5 of these in a month. All right. So I don't know about you, but I got an electric bill, and my electric bill will take 5 $1 payments. Amazon, you can do Amazon reload. You can spend something 5 times. If it doesn't say anything about a minimum. So like pay your electric bill $1, $2, $3, $4. $5. So 5 $1 transactions, whatever. It doesn't matter. You will get paid within 30 days after the referred person completes any of the qualifying activities. So that's super easy. That's it. All right, so as I said, this is a referral program only, so you can screenshot this. Here's my referral code. Here's a QR code you can hit, or if you really want to, you don't feel like copying, I also have a copy of the referral code in the description box down below, or you can email me and I can email you the referral code and you can just click it from the email. Any which way you want to get this referral code, I will get it to you so you can open up this account and make $100 more or over $100 for doing 5 debit card transactions. So when you click that, it's going to say, welcome to DCU. The application should take up to 5 minutes to complete. Well, to me, it took a little bit longer, but I'm also screenshotting everything and documenting everything. So also, if you ever have any questions on anything, you can use these screenshots. Where did you see that? Well, it's right here. All right, so application takes 5 minutes. So you want to click Join DCU. They also have an application status center, which is, I've never seen that with any other place, where you can like get live updates on the status of your application. All right, so you need to hit the e-sign agreement. So the little thing that's a little bit annoying on this application is you need to make sure that you hit all the little checkboxes. If you don't hit them all, it's just going to hit you with a red error message, and it's going to say, hey, go back and make sure you fill out everything. And every time that I got that message, it was the little checkboxes. So you've been invited to join DCU. Hit continue. And then, so basically, you're going to need the primary savings account. Everybody pays $5 to get into a credit union. That's just the law. That's how they operate. There's no stockholders for like a bank like Chase or Bank of America. It's owned by the members, and basically you get your membership by paying the $5. So you have to do the primary savings account. That's the one that says they pay 6.17% on your balance up to $1,000, and you got to put at least $5 in to get that money. No catch, no monthly fee, nothing else to open. That's awesome, Joe. Just deposit. You can put in your $1,000. After a year, it'll grow $61.70. So that's awesome. Try getting that kind of interest amount from Chase or Bank of America or Wells Fargo. Yeah, that's not going to happen. So if you got extra $1,000 laying around, throw it in here. You'll make a lot more money. It'll take 617 years for you to catch the same amount that these people are paying in 1 year. So that's huge there. All right, so they got another one. It's the Advantage Savings Plan. That one only pays 0.75%. I'm not really impressed with that. There's so many other banks that pay well over 3%. So not interested in that one. So primary savings, I hit add on that one, and you need to get I got the free checking with the DCU Visa debit card, which I need to do my 5 debit card transactions as soon as I get, and then boom, I'm going to get $150 or $100 myself. I always decline the overdraft protection because the only way you can get charged your overdraft fees is by accepting the overdraft protection. So no thank you for that. Continue. So they got a pretty interesting thing now. So basically what they want you to do is put in your mobile number and the last 4 of your social security number. And then check your phone to verify your identity. And then it populates your information for you. And I think that's the coolest thing for them to populate information. You can see, is it accurate or not? So first name, last name, address, zip code, social security number, date of birth, boom, it's all right there. It's like, hey, cool, thanks for filling that out for me. Primary phone number, and then email address, which method you prefer, and then to be contacted, enter information for your employer. So I like when they do this. So you select your accounts at first, enter information, you go through all the disclosures, the funding, there is credit card funding on this, which is really cool, and then hit finish. So fill out your employment information, and then your driver's license number, who it's issued by, issue date, expiration date, and then your eligibility to join DCU. So there is like a whole bunch of different ways to be able to join them. If you are not eligible to join in any of these ways, you can pay $10 to reach out for schools. They automatically join you. You don't have to fill out anything extra for it. I was unable to honestly say that I could do any of these ones up here. So I clicked $10 for reach out to schools. That goes to, they do stuff with Donors Choose. Love Donors Choose. I filled out a application for Donors Choose before a couple of years ago for calculators for my own personal classroom, and I got approved. Somebody donated $600, which is like the coolest thing. So this goes, to be able to bless teachers through Adopt a Classroom and stuff like that. So this is a really cool benefit to others, especially teachers. So there's information about the Reach Out for Schools. So cool stuff. They're in Massachusetts. You can click their website if you want more information about them. But I had no problem throwing $10 to them to be able to join and catch $100 for doing 5 debit card transactions. So disclosures, and so basically you have to go through all the disclosures, make sure they're checked. And then like, here's one of the annoying things, like I didn't check the thing. I hit accept and it said, hey, go back and make sure you click the checkbox. So that thing there is something you want to make sure you take care of. ID verification. They ask you some questions off of your credit report. It is not a hard pull. It is a soft pull on your credit. It does not affect your credit score at all. They just verify your information. It's different stuff. It's like, what color was your car, the city of wherever you live or whatever. Tax certification. Do you owe the IRS money? I selected no because I don't owe them anything. And then, okay, so here you have the account funding. You are able to use either Visa, MasterCard, or Discover up to $250 on this application, which is pretty cool. So primary savings, that's the one that pays 6.17%. So I did the $240 there. Reach Out for schools, I gave them $10, so that's $250. And then the card I recommend using is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. They have a $800 sign-up bonus. I made a full video on this. If you're curious what credit card I use to fund these accounts, definitely check out this account. They're willing to pay you $800, which is awesome. My personal threshold for credit cards is $500. If the bank is willing to pay me $500 or more, I'm willing to take advantage of what they got to offer. So, yeah, huge bonus on the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex. All right, so we got the select account, enter information, disclosures, funding is done. I clicked credit card and then continue, put in the information. So my products I chose were the primary savings, which you have to do, the free checking, and then automatically receive monthly FICO score. Sure, I mean, I get that from like everybody else, but why not? How did you hear about us? So if you're using a referral code, please select friend, family, or coworker. Anybody who's willing to sign up for a bonus is definitely a friend of mine. So please click friend, family, or coworker. Hit submit. That's going to say we are processing your application. And then it says, thank you for application. They require additional information. So they wanted the front of my driver's license. So I just submitted that picture on my computer. Boom, select file, uploaded it. And then it says, thank you for your application. Then they show you the, right here, the account application site. There's the link to that if you want information. And it says, you access your application through there. So I click my email address. You need to put in a password, and then you get an email to verify your email. And then I was able to get to this again, put in the password, two-step verification, and then boom. So I was on here. This is the application where you check the application status. And then December 1, 2022, the status was submitted for review. So, and then today, that was on Friday, December 1. Friday or Saturday? I hit today's Monday, December 5. when I'm recording this video, when I receive this email, you got a message about your DCU application. All right, so important message. So I clicked on the link for the account application site to get the updated status. So enter the email and then enter the password. It says, boom, welcome to DCU. Score. Love getting approved. Love making money off these bonuses. So definitely, this is the point of this channel. As I said, my goal is 10,000 per year, and this is just a fun, easy one to do. My application approved and complete. Love it. So then I was able to get in and take care of all the other stuff I need to take care of on there. So power ranking this bonus. So as I said, I'm a high school math teacher. I don't believe in ranking stuff just based upon feeling. So this bonus actually, if you're just doing it for the $100, so it's $100, it's 1 point. If you take advantage of the 6% interest plus the credit card fund, you get a few percent back on that. Then it would be actually 2 points, but that won't really change the ranking. So your bonus speed is between 1 week to 1 month, so that's 4 points there. The metric. So if you do, as I said, if you do 5 $1 spends and you collect $100, that's a 2,000% return. I mean, that is a ginormous return. That's well over 25%. So that's max points there. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, even if you want to call it 12 points. So that's still an A category. Excuse me. That's an A category bonus for Bank Account Bonus Central Power Ranking. So once again, this is my referral code. If you want to type that out, if you want to hit the QR code, if you want to email me, churningadventures@gmail.com, and in the description box down below. So many different ways to collect this referral code so you can take advantage of this. Bank Account Bonus Central Verdict. This is a slam dunk easy bonus to collect. Why would anybody turn down $150 plus for using a debit card and saving a few bucks? I mean, you're not going to get this kind of interest at Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo. Everyone should take advantage of this offer. That's all I got to say. Super easy. So today's question is, what can I do about feeling unsatisfied with life? So we just had Thanksgiving. We're coming into Christmas. Emotions get high, emotions get low, emotions get high, emotions get low. And sometimes we don't always feel happy with life, but what can be done about that? So scripture I'd like to share with you is Isaiah 55, 1-3. This is the words of Jesus basically saying, come, all who are thirsty, come to the waters. And you without money, come buy and eat. Come buy wine and milk without money, without cost. Why spend your money on that which is not bread, your labor on that which is not satisfied? Listen carefully to me and eat what is good, and your soul will delight in the riches of foods. Incline your ear and come to me. Listen so that your soul may live. I will make with you an everlasting covenant. I mean, when you look at people go to different parties, everybody's holding something to drink because they're thirsty. You drink alcohol and stuff like that, you're going to be dehydrated. There is no overwhelming sense of satisfaction in the waters we have here. But Christ says, come to me, all who are thirsty. And without charge, he's going to give you fulfillment. That's what he's done in my life. He's given me a sense of peace, a love, of joy. I just want to share that with everybody. These are promises from God himself, from his scripture. There's an awesome link I want to share with everybody, how to follow Jesus from gotquestions.org. There's a lot of really cool information on there. There's also a quote I want to share with you that my pastor shared this past Sunday from Thomas Aquinas. He said, people who don't find satisfaction in spirituality, in their faith, they seek after pleasures in carnal life. And one of those things is online pornography. It's something, sin. It promises so much more than it can deliver. And it tempts you, it takes you further than you want to go, keeps you longer than you want to stay. And there's over 4 million pornographic websites out there. And it's not an easy thing to overcome on your own. So I'm definitely, I am a member of Covenant Eyes. I have it on my computer, my laptop, cell phones. The average age somebody's exposed to such things is under 10 years old. So this is something I don't want my kids to mistype something and accidentally go to something that they shouldn't see. Or if this is something you're dealing with, take advantage of it. I have a link in the the description box down below. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. Check it out. Your first 30 days are free. Use the affiliate code BANKBONUS and see if this is something that'll benefit you. Finally, I still do have comments off, but if you have questions, you can hit me up at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. Appreciate everybody who has sent emails so far. And finally, if you're still here with me, definitely do appreciate it. 3 things: like the video, profitable content on a consistent basis, share this with anybody who'd be able to benefit, and subscribe with bell notifications so you can get paid to open up bank accounts. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.